Today, we're heading to a small junkyard hidden deep in the forest. Among the many forgotten old vehicles, I've chosen one with a story to tell. A 1962 VW Beetle, silent for years, and nearly claimed by the crusher. At first glance, it's just another piece of rusting history, buried under dirt and time. To most it might seem like a lost cause, but for me, it's a chance at a resurrection. I start by digging away the earth that swallowed its tires and fitting it with new ones, its first steps toward moving again. Then, carefully, I position the trailer, hook up the Beetle, and winch it aboard. With each pull, it's not just a car being recovered, it's a life being reclaimed.
Yeah, so I didn't have 36. I have 36. Yeah, so, alright, it works. Which? That's not available. Well, never mind, I can just hold it. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Here's a piece.
Finally, we roll out of the junkyard gates. This isn't the end for this 62 bug. It's a beginning. What comes next? A full restoration, turning what was nearly trash into something valuable again. This is part 1 of the rescue, and the rebuild starts now. Stay tuned.